On the Athletify homepage, we can view all our upcoming shifts. We see details such as the position and the assigned location, if there is one. Click on any shift to see more details. This is where we can see who else is working the same shift, who is working other shifts at the same time, and who will be working the next shifts. We can also request to drop a shift here and post it to the job board. When we post to the job board, we are also asking our administrator to approve dropping that shift. We just need to give a reason, click post, and request to drop, and our administrator will be notified. That shift will then appear on the job board. After posting, we will see a list of coworkers who hold that position, are eligible to work, and are available at that time so we can easily reach out to find a replacement. Conveniently send a direct message to anyone on that list to see if they are willing to work your shift. If we need to cancel the drop request, we can find the shift here with a note that we've already asked to drop it. Just click here and request to cancel the drop. Want to work more shifts? Find them easily by activating the job board toggle. This is where you will see available shifts that are open to claim and shifts that your coworkers are looking to drop. When you request to drop a shift, it looks like this to your coworkers. To claim any of these shifts, we just click into the shift and request it. Some shifts might be available to claim right away, depending on how our organization is set up. We can check with our administrator if we're not sure. Often, approval is needed to claim a shift. If there are any conflicts, they will show below. If the administrator approves our request to claim the shift, we will get a push notification on our phone and it will be added to our schedule. To check the status of our requests, we can click here. This is where we see all the shifts we're claiming, trying to drop, or any time off requests. We can view which ones were approved, denied, or canceled by us. You also have the Everyone tab. This is where we can see everyone who is working. There's a lot of information on the screen, so to make it easier, we can filter by program. For example, we can remove all other programs and only see upcoming shifts for aquatics. You can further reduce the amount of information by selecting a specific date or date range, so the days and shifts you're looking for are easier to find.